Hello. Today I want to talk about short life of LEDs. Actually, these LED bulbs or LED tube lights, these seem to work well for maybe 2 years or so, but after that they can go bad. They are actually supposed to have long life. When somebody says long life, we like to assume that it is forever. But then some of these LEDs can go bad within a short time also. I had such an experience with 5 watt LED bulb recently. So in this video I will try to show you that LED bulb, and then later I will try to describe the circuit of this. Also recently I purchased a LED mains indicator. Even though it was not defective, I just broke it because it was cheaper anyway. It was cheap anyway. So I broke it open to see what is the circuit inside. I will show you that LED mains indicator also. This is the 5 watt bulb I am talking about. Let us switch on and see. This is how it glows. One should be careful, use this kind of adapter if you are testing outside. Now let us open this and see. This is how the original is. The PCB is absolutely dirty. Back side 400 volts capacitor and one small electrolytic capacitor. 14 LEDs. Now you can see this one. This has blown up. This capacitor has blown up. You can see only the leads of the capacitor. When you see the capacitor, how it has blown up. Okay, that's how it is. Now let me show you the simple LED lamp. So this is the LED lamp I am talking about. Now I have opened this LED lamp. There are simple quarter watt resistors, 35.6K, let us say 33K on both sides of the LED. This is how LED is fixed. Okay, that's all. Stop. So this is basically the circuit. You can see that live and neutral 230 volt mains is connected to C1 capacitor, that is 1.2 microfarads by 400 volts. Then a 330K resistor parallel to that one, probably for bleed resistance for that capacitor. Then we have a bridge rectifier. So after the bridge rectifier, we are supposed to get the voltage required for these LEDs, because they are connected in series. 14 LEDs are connected in series. So 14 into 3 is approximately 42 volts. So here actually we are getting around 46 volts here, 46.5 or so. Measure the voltage across the LEDs also, it is around 41.7 or so. So we can say the voltage drop across this current limiting resistor R3, which is 62 ohms, is around 5 volts. So anyway, coming to this capacitor, if it is 46 volts, it is rated only for 50 volts. This is a capacitor used for rectification. So it is 47 microfarads by 50 volts. 50 volts is going to be serious trouble. It should be at least 63 volts or 100 volts. In case you end up repairing such a bulb, replace it with something with 47 microfarads by 63 volts or 100 volts. And then there is again a bleed resistor, looks like for this capacitor also 330k. Now coming to the current going through this, 5 volts divided by these 62 ohms will approximately come to 80 milliamps. See, this 80 milliamps is going to be, I feel, almost stretching the limitation of these LEDs. 80 milliamps through each LED is a bit too much. Anyway, even at that rate, with 80 milliamps current flowing through these things, we have a wattage of 3.3 watts or so. So this is not 5 watts as claimed by the LED bulb manufacturer or seller. This is only 3.3 watts. Okay. So when one of my LED bulbs broke down, what I did was to 150 ohms normal resistors in parallel, so that the resistance becomes 75 ohms and the current gets limited to around 66 milliamps or so. These are the two modifications that may be required in case you are repairing them. So that is about the circuit. Now as far as the LED indicator is concerned, it is just two 33k resistors in series. That's all. It's very simple, and that LED is directly connected to 230 volt mains. So to conclude and answer the question whether LEDs really have short life, depending upon the LED manufacturer and their quality, etc., they may or may not last forever, but it looks like as though the circuits that provide power to these are not really reliable. They are cheap and carelessly designed sometimes. You can see what happened in the case of 5 watt LED bulb. So they may not have real long life as a result of this. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video.